the next slide you can see the partners involved. So there are 24 partners from 15 European countries. And on the next slide you can see the coverage within. So Platform is an international project focused, as I said already, on implementation of Inspire in member states in spatial planning domain. We are focused on 7 spatial data themes from Inspire Annex 2 and Annex 3. These are highlighted here on this slide. And now I will briefly explain the platform objectives. So the first one is promotion of Inspire and platform in countries, regions and municipalities. So we have active website with posted news, we have workshops, flyers, newsletters, etc. And also we try to be involved through social network sites like LinkedIn, Facebook, and or Inspire Forum. The next objective was to create a metadata profile for spatial planning. The core of the profile is based on the Inspire metadata profile, and then some items were added according to the national legislation and user requirements. So, as you can see on the following slide, metadata profile is compliant to ISO 19115, 190, 139 standards. It's based on Inspire metadata profile, as I already said, and on implementing rules. The profile is divided into 3 components. As you can see, it's spatial plan metadata, then dataset metadata, and spatial service metadata. The next goal was to create data models for those 7 themes. You can see at the right bottom corner, including feature catalogs and UML models. These were as an input for Inspire semantic working groups. So in most of these working groups, they started with our recommendations, our data models. Here is an example of land cover model. The next slide shows the first part of the project that was already done, which is based as a core is the Inspire directive, and as you can Inspire is mainly top-down approach. Plan for All is taking the other approach, which is bottom-up. So we start with the planning data and through defining standards which are compliant with Inspire. We are making feasible that it's possible to implement the services and harmonize data based on the produced standards. So this is my last slide with logos of all partners. I would like to say one more comment that currently there is being published testing for Inspire spatial or for data specifications, and Plan for All is going to participate in this testing, and with this regard we